How to change your keyboard background on iPhone. Subscribe for more quick tips. First, open App Store on your phone. In the search bar, type and search Gboard. Now install this app. Now go back to any messaging app and tap on the writing box. At the bottom, tap and hold on the word icon. Select Keyboard Settings, then tap on Keyboard. Now tap on Add New Keyboard. Tap on Gboard here. Go back, then tap and hold on the word icon again. Now select Gboard. Go back to the menu and open Gboard app. Tap on Themes. Select the theme from here. You can also add custom theme. When you are done, go back to the messaging app and see the keyboard background is changed. And that's it.